Hey, 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 peace, and welcome to my Cosmic Soul Tribe. I am the Cosmic Soul Plug, as well as the host of this channel, where I'll be teaching you how to tap into your blueprint and pull out the greatness that lies within you using numerology and eventually astrology combined. But for now, will this channel be for everybody? Well, it all depends on the individual, of course. But for the most part, this channel is for those of you who desire to know and understand who you are, and most of all, what your life's purpose is. Now, I'm going to begin sharing my screen so that we can delve a little bit more into what numerology is all about. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, that looks good on my part. I hope it looks good on yours as well. So let's dig in, okay? Now, as I've already shared, numerology opens opens a portal to who you are in relation to your innate special gifts and talents, which are your birthrights, of course. Now, not only those things, but having a deeper understanding of the motivation of those around you, such as family, friends, as well as coworkers, anybody for that matter. Also, this same roadmap can be used to harness your intuition and including boosting your higher self confidence in every decision you make in life. Now, being that we're all born with free will, we have the right to choose to be aware or unaware. And that's whether you're asleep or awakened. Okay. So now, as we dive deeper in, you'll also see that astrology is of equal importance because it also plays a crucial role in the energies housed by the celestial bodies, or what we call planets. Now, let's take a quick look into the origins of numerology so that we get a more thorough understanding of exactly what it is. Okay? So, in short, numerology is the study of, the is the study of the mystical relationship between numbers and numerical patterns. Guys must forgive me. I know the retrograde is creeping up on us. If it's not already here, I have to check that. So I'm going to stumble over some words, which is absolutely fine. I'm sure we all are doing that. But further, numerology tells a story by giving meaning in the numbers and letters in your life. So everything is about frequency and vibration. Okay. And speaking of vibration, let's talk about vibration and numbers. So if let me make sure everything is everything because technology, with the retrograde, technology does slow down. It does affect your, everything. It affects mine. So if you just think about it for a moment, how many times have you seen numerical patterns around you, or what everybody calls synchronicities? For example, have you been seeing the numbers 22, 222, 33, 333, 111, and 1111? And a host of others, okay, as time progresses. When you see these recurring numbers, whether they are on a clock, license plates, a house address, a billboard, or wherever, usually it's messages from the universe actually talking to you. Okay. So if you're seeing these numbers, then I highly advise you to begin researching them to learn how to tune into them so that they can help guide you to your greatest potential in life. And another important aspect of numerology is to actually grasp a more in-depth understanding of the cycles of your life. Also, you can begin to understand what karmic debt and lessons are all about and how to work towards clearing them out during this lifetime and the next. And just a word of at caution, we are here in this lifetime, this present lifetime, clearing up karmic debt and lessons from a past lifetime. Okay. So I hope that didn't go over your head. And, I'll talk more about that in upcoming videos a little later down the road. But for now, we're going to be living in this present moment. So here I present to you Nikola Tesla. And by now, all of us should know something about this man. Okay. He was an inventor, an engineer, and a futurist who stated if you want to find the secrets of the universe, you need to think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So when you understand vibration, you understand it has both positive and negative traits. And according to Pythagoras, vibration is carried in every object, and every person contains excuse me, vibration is carried in every object and every person and contains a spiritual unseen force. So just think in terms of the higher the spirit force, the more positive the energy or experience. And on the opposite side of the spectrum, the lower the force, the more negative the outcome will be, which is something we experience on a daily basis, correct? Also, each number is assigned its own vibration, including traits and shadows. Okay. So, if you have a thorough understanding or understanding of the numbers 1 through 9 and the master numbers 11, 22, and 33, you'll understand that they are the foundation for any numerological reading. And another important factor is the shape of numbers and their flow lines, which also reveal vibrational information and meaning. And I'll cover more on that in upcoming videos, of course. But for now, before I even conclude this video, I must give fair warning to you for future references that once you learn how to decipher such vital information, to not take it upon yourself to pull other individuals' charts because it's considered a spiritual violation. Why? Because you didn't receive that individual's permission. Now, if you receive that individual's permission, then, by all means, but just make sure that everything that you learn here on this channel from me, that you're using for the greater good of yourself as well as others. And therefore, okay, it is your moral obligation to use any of this information for education of thyself and only for the greater good. I'm going to repeat that, okay? And if you choose otherwise and use this information for lower vibrational purposes, then expect for the universe to match that very same energy back to you. And I don't think you want that kind of smoke. Okay. So, with that being said, once again, I like to welcome you to the Cosmiq Soul Plug tribe. And I can promise you that once you begin tapping into your very own blueprint, that you won't ever see life from an ordinary perspective again. So if you happen to like or love the content that I've shared thus far, Please show some love by hitting that like button, leave a positive comment below if you wish, and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you'll be one of the very first to see when I've uploaded more content here. So, on that note, take care for now and be on the lookout for my next video, which I'll keep as a surprise for now. But until then, I send you love and light. Peace, family. Good night.